Hello, everyone. How are you today? Are you good? Uh-huh, uh-huh. Good job. So, have you had breakfast? Yes. Mm-hmm. What did you eat? What did you have? Pizza? Spaghetti? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Instant noodles. Okay. So, today we will read about breakfasts from different countries, okay? And learn how to use some and any, okay? Okay. First, I'm gonna move to vocabularies, okay? All right. First of all, we have rolls. Rolls. Everyone say rolls. Good job. Next one we have lemonade. Lemonade. Good job. Lemonade. Good. Everyone repeat, okay? Cheese. Cheese. Good job. Next one, apple juice. Apple juice. Next one, water. Water. Good job. Soup. Soup. And next one we have vegetables. Vegetables. Good job. And salad. Salad. Good job. Now, we'll go all over again. Okay. We have rolls. Lemonade. Cheese. Good job. Apple juice. Water. Soup. Vegetables. And the last one, anyone remember? Good job. Salad. Okay. So now I want you all to listen. Okay. And repeat.
Unit 2. The Picnic. Student's Book. Page 22.
1. Listen and say the words. Then check with a friend.
1,
Rolls,
2,
lemonade,
3,
cheese,
4,
apple juice,
5,
water,
6,
soup,
7,
vegetables,
8,
salad.
Good job. Now, everyone remember already? Yes, okay. Now, we're going to move to grammar, okay? So, today we're going to study about some and any. So, I have two sentences. There is some cheese and there isn't any cheese, okay? So, with this exercise, I want you all to listen once, and then I will have some questions for you, okay?
Student's Book, page 23.
1. Listen, read, and circle the roll. Guess what's in my roll? Are there any tomatoes? Yes, there are some tomatoes. Is there any cheese? No, there isn't any cheese. Is there any chicken? Yes, there's some chicken.
Good job. Now, can you underline all of the sentence that has any and some for me? You? Good job, good job, good job. First, we have any with the sentence that is questions and any with a negative sentence. And next one, we have some. Some goes with the positive sentences. Good job. And with its exercise, the answer is B. Okay, nice try. Now, I will tell you that we use some in positive sentences. For example, there is some bread. There is some tea on the table. I have some bread and eggs. Good job. And we use any in negative sentences and questions. For example, there isn't any bread. Is there any cheese? Good job. Understand? Yes. So we use some for negative sentences. No, we use some for positive sentences. Okay, and any we use for questions and negative sentences. Good job, everyone. So, do we use some in positive sentences? Yes. Do we use any in negative sentences? Yes. And the last one, do we use any in questions? Yes, good job. So now let's read. Okay, I have this exercise and I want you all to read and underline all of the food in this passage. Okay, 2 minutes for you. Good job. So here are all of the foods that we have learned. Okay, and I want to ask you something. Which country is Amy from? Pretend. Good. What about Rodolfo? Mexico. Good. Anna? She's from Brazil. And the last one, Mustafa from Turkey. Good job. So now I want to ask you, what does Rodolfo eat? He eats. Good job. Sausage. So what's the name of the dish? It's con huevo. Good job. What about who likes fruit? Who likes fruit? Who likes fruit? Who's it? Hmm? Is it Anna? Is it Amy? Is it Rodolfo? Or is it Mustafa? Good job. It's Anna. Đây. We also eat a lot of fruit. Okay, good job. So I want you all to do the exercise for me after reading that passage. 5 minutes for you. Okay, so let's check. Are you all correct? Yes, good job. So now let's practice a bit, okay? These are the 12 sentences that I want you all to use any and some correctly, and you have 10 minutes. Go. Time's up. Good job. And now let's check your answers. Are you all correct? Yes, good job, everyone. So now after all of those, I want you to practice speaking. Okay. I want you to speak in pairs. For example, student A will ask, is there any cheese? Or is there any blah, 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 blah. And student B have to say, yes, there is. Or no, there isn't. Okay, you have 10 minutes. Go. Good job. Nice try. And next one, I want you to write. What should you write? You have to write about the breakfast in your country. Okay, and the paragraph should around 4 to 5 sentences. And it must include some or any in the paragraph. This is my example. I have some rolls and salad. There is some apple juice on the table. There isn't any soup. Lunch is my favorite meal. Now it's your turn. 5 minutes. Go. Good job. And now let's review all again, okay? With this game. So, the whole class will be one team, okay? Now, number 6. Oh no. Number 7. Good job. Number 1. They haven't got any. Good job. Number 12. Have you got any? Good job. Number 9. There is some. Good job. Number 4. Question. We have to use any. So number 14. Have got some. Number 2. Have got. And number 11. There aren't any. Good job, everyone. So these are the vocabularies we have learned today. And remember, some for positive sentences and any for negative and questions sentences, okay? So thank you for listening and hope you guys will go back home and review all over again, okay? See ya!